What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with more content. And today we're going to cover the iBlason Armorbox for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, for those of you that don't know, iBlason is a sister brand of Supcase. So all things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So let's start with the install, but first we're going to separate this case because it is a two-piece unit. And we have a nice green sticker here that's going to give you a tip on how to separate the case. Now I like to grab this case with one hand and then press on the bottom right hand edge with my thumb. There is a little notch or cutout here that should assist, and you're just going to push on the outer portion. And then you can kind of squeeze your finger around there until it starts to separate. And then you can just pull that front portion out. Now I will say this does require a little effort, but once you find your way around, you're going to get both portions separated. I'm going to take the foam out and set that to the side. And I'm just going to leave this here for a moment so you can get an idea of what these two portions look like. Now we're going to install the front portion, but before we do so, I want to mention that this has a built-in display protector, huge plus here. And also before we install that front portion, we want to remove the inside display protector. That's easily done with the film here. We're just going to peel that off. And then don't forget, we have another sticker here which covers the fingerprint area. You want to peel that off as well. And then we could take this front faceplate with the built-in display protector and then press that into place. And that works really well. Now you want to make sure that you do push on this fingerprint area just a little bit to make sure it seats fully. That way you get the best fingerprint performance. And a good tip, you may want to re-enroll your fingerprint once you have the display protector on, because the display protector may affect the performance. But you can do this once this whole assembly is together. And this is also indicated on this sticker here, just letting you know that is a tip. Next, we could take this whole assembly and place it into the back portion of the case. Don't worry about the display protection and the stickers yet. Now, normally I would install the top left portion first into the top left portion of the rear. But because we have this rubber flap for the USB-C port, I'm going to start with the bottom actually. I think this will go together a little bit easier. And then we can just kind of push in and then work your way around. Take your time here. Make sure that you get a nice good seal. Make sure everything's looking flush. That's looking great. And then we can pull off that protective film. And this is looking really nice. And I really like these display protectors because they're built in, so that's great. But they actually install really well, a lot better than the standalone units I've tried to install myself. As long as your display is clean, it's free of dirt and grime. Now that this unit is fully assembled, we can flip over to the rear and talk about the design and function. So this colorway is going to be called Ruddy, but it's a combination of black and red. We also have some faux carbon fiber elements. And overall, I like this case because it has a technical design to it. We're going to have some Armorbox branding, and then we're going to have some built-in Magsafe compatibility. Yes, the Armorbox is Magsafe compatible. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any Magsafe accessories to try out here, but this is a feature if you're interested in it. And then moving to the top left-hand corner, we're going to have the camera cover door. Yes, this is a cover and a door. It's going to provide protection for those lenses, and it unclips slightly and flips 180 degrees and sits on the opposite side, nice and flat. Now, when we talk about maximum coverage, maximum protection, a lot of cases will state this in their advertisement, but they're going to miss this camera lens protection. I think if you're going to talk maximum protection for your cases, obviously the case needs to provide maximum protection. You need to have that built-in display protector, and then you also have to have that built-in camera protector. And I also love things that have dual purpose. So this camera cover door isn't only a camera cover door, but depending on how you articulate it, you can also use it as a kickstand. So you can display the S24 Ultra in landscape mode. And although a bit more particular, you can display the S24 Ultra in portrait mode as well. And then when it comes to closing that camera door, we've got good resistance here and it clicks in place. It's going to be a very good click. We're going to be very comfortable, very confident that it is actually closed. It's not just going to flop open. And that's going to keep everything nice and clean. So when you go to take those pictures or those videos, you're going to have top quality. But anyways, let's talk about the sides of the case. They're going to feature diagonal lines, so that's going to give you added grip, a bit more confidence. And we can find those lines on the top as well as both sides. And we're going to be mostly flat on the bottom. And then the buttons, they're going to extend out slightly. They have a hard rubber feel, but you can feel them out. And they have good travel too. There is going to be a little bit of click feedback, but overall those are good and very good coverage. And then we have the cutouts. So we have the cutouts for the S Pen. We have the cutout for the speaker mic. And that's going to be at the top and the bottom. But what I really like about this case too is that we're also going to have a rubber flap for the USB-C port. So that's going to keep dust out of there. Just keep it nice and clean. And interesting enough, it seems like we have some spots for a wrist strap, but I didn't see a wrist strap included in this kit. But interesting note there. So overall, the iBlason Armorbox is a good case, which actually has solid all-around protection. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checkin out.